everyone, welcome back to my little lock lab here. And today we're going to be taking a look at this vintage Elgin lock. It is a wafer lock, and we've done wafer locks on this channel, but I always enjoy them. They're always fun to pick. It does have keys, and it works quite nicely. No problems whatsoever. So we're going to go ahead and put this one into the vise. Go ahead and zoom in for you here. And let's see here. I'm going to use this tension wrench and go with the top of the keyway. And I'm half tempted to use this pick that I just made with the wood that West Coast Picks gave me, but guys, would you just look at this? That is just gorgeous wood. That is maple burl that's been stabilized, and it looks like the perfect pick profile for me, but I can't hardly bring myself to use it. It's too pretty. I know I got a problem, right? So let's find a pick that I do want to use here. Let's go with one of the ones that Bobby Keys sent me, because these are great picks. They're nice and narrow and can reach just about anywhere. That was a click from 3, click from This keyway is actually a little bit tight because I'm binding the pickup just a little bit. Let's reset real quick. I may have overpicked one of those. Yeah, the pick's binding up in here a little bit, and it's making it real hard to feel. Which wafer I'm actually on. Let me adjust my... I'm not really liking that, but yeah, we'll give it a shot. That gives me better access to the first wafer. There we go. There we go. Once I moved my pick, I think I was blocking that first wafer with my tension wrench. Because I was kind of sitting it right down in there. And yeah, that was actually halfway blocking that. So... go ahead and show you this lock that it's picked, and there we go. So not bad. You know what, that was too quick. Let's break out one of the other locks that came with that lock auction. Not real difficult. A Ludell. It does say made in Hong Kong. It doesn't say made in China. So this might be a little bit older of a lock. We'll go with the top of the keyway tension on this one. And I doubt it's got any security pins. Nope, none whatsoever. Well, that was a little bit too easy. Let's go with this other Hong Kong lock. Or, nope, that's a Slaymaker. Where'd my other Hong Kong lock go? Ah, here it is. This one also says Hong Kong. It's right there on the shackle. But this one, I picked it earlier, and it actually held a little bit of a surprise for me. And the surprise was that I think this one has security pins in it. think it's got spools, and from the feel of it, not very bad ones. So let's just go another quick feel around in here. There is an awful lot of flop in this core. It does feel like a 5-pinner. Oop, thought I had it there. And this one, when I was picking it earlier, it did do some weird binding. Okay. At this point, I'm either looking at pin 4 or pin 5. Nope, pin 2. Ooh, and I definitely felt something drop. There we go. Definite spools in this one, and it has a pretty strong spring on it, so it did make it a little bit more difficult. I would do the sleigh maker for you, but my little tool I made, this one here, doesn't work in this lock because it needs to be a little bit longer in both directions to work in this one. I was able to get it once by really fiddling with it for a long time, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Alright, so we got some cheap locks out of the way, and I think that's all I've got for you guys right now. So, everybody, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you see a lock out there in the wild and it's not yours, don't put a pick in it.